Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhargavi Raval and I am a fashion mentor. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel because I have all the possible hacks to make your illustration quick and easy. So here once again I am back with a very nice illustration, and I'm showing you all the tricks and I'm showing you method to do it in a very simplified way. So, but obviously you start first with the pencil line. Now you all can trace out the body. You get this ready stencils of body. You can trace out just the body line, and then on those croquis you can make the garment. You can design whatever garment you want. And again, for your skin there are different methods you can use. I have over here used STAEDTLER color. For hair also, if you I have done many videos, you can just check out those videos and see how nicely different hairstyles could be done. Anyway, but the easy way and the quick way to draw illustration, that's what I'm going to show you. So for any garment, the quickest way is use the brush pencil. Now over here I have used the Dom's pencil pen, and they're brush pens, and because it's a leather pants, pattern leather have a very acute shine, so I'm leaving that area completely white. And for the top also, what I've done is given one layer of this Dom's pen colors. I've just given one layer of it, that's about it. And then using a STAEDTLER color, I have started giving the shading. Now with this magenta color, I have used two different tones. So I've used a dark purple, and then I have highlighted it with a black uh, STAEDTLER also. But see, it's such a nice and quick and easy way, because if you do directly with STAEDTLER colors, you do not get this kind of consistency, you do not get this kind of vibrancy which you get it with the base. If you use a base as a Dom's color or any brush color pens, they are very nice and quick. And then just shading and understanding where and which part is darker and lighter, for that also I've done many videos. Go and check out my videos, it's easier. I have many hacks. So the easy and the quick way, uh, because I've been teaching since 25 years, more than that, I know this students easily adopt this method. So I hope this video was interesting, and whenever you sketch, outline it with black micro tip pen. It enhances your sketch. Don't forget to give a backdrop. Bit of shading will enhance your sketch. See, it's looking good now. So anyways, keep sketching. Practice makes man perfect. So if you want to learn illustration, it's only through practice, practice, practice. Till then, bye bye.